Good morning, we are Bagbuster Group, and today we will present our adaptive math reviewer game for grade 6 math preparation. My name is Krishna C. Pangilinan, and these are the members of the group.
My name is Julius Andre Ignacio.
My name is Leonardo Mota.
My name is Harold Samaniego.
My name is JC Torres.
And today we will present the group project.
Okay. For the background of the study, from the background of the study, since the learners have difficulty with abstract concepts, with actually having problems with problem solving and also finding solutions. Next is actually traditional viewers, which are very repetitive and also boredom, which are actually having problems with repetitiveness or form according to the books or in lessons. And lastly, from students' lack motivation during the NAT preparations, which actually NAT preparations were actual papers or tests. So basically, the grade 6 students are very, very having bored of any tests. Next one was actually the learning challenges. The weak retention, which is actually existed in pandemic, like in online learning. Next was actually graded reviewers, just like the previous one, which is actually from the books or lessons. Next one was actually limited feedback. Some of the students make some recommendations, suggestions, and also complaints. No digital or game-based practice tools. We're actually having the NAT preparations of the game doesn't exist. And lastly, where teachers experience heavy workload, which is teachers solely having confusion about focusing on activities and also student records instead because of having the software problems. That's all.
Now, because of the problems that they said earlier, we come up with the idea of the adaptive math reviewer. It's a game-based reviewer for grade 6 students aligned with the MELC and NAT topics. Provide hints, tips, and adaptive feedback. Track students' progress, works offline, lightweight, and easy to use. Now, the general objective of this system is to design and develop a game-based adaptive reviewer system to improve the grade 6 student mathematics mastery and NAT performance. On the other hand, the specific objectives is develop a math reviewer aligned with the grade 6 NAT competencies, include hints, scaffolded learning, identify weak topics using the needs review tab, provide progress tracking and scoring, ensure offline, usability, and child-friendly interface.
Next is the scope and limitation. The scope is the grade 6 mathematics only. The only subject from the NAT will be the mathematics, and an adaptive quiz system needs reviewer feature an offline local database. And the limitation is there is no real-time monitoring for teachers, no cloud sync, and Android only app. Next.
Here we can see the database used in the system and their relationship. First, we can see the admin accounts, which is standalone, and the user accounts, which answers the questions. And if after answering the question, it will record the scores, and if the student fails on that current question, it will then get stored into the user review table.
Concept 1 framework. First one is independent variables. Independent variables is main figures. It represent adaptive reviewer game. Validating variables explain connectivity between the game and the student performance. With the weighting breaking variables. Breaking variables, this is changing the strength and direction that affects the independent variables. Dependent variables, the primary outcomes or stats. The control variables is the keep constraining the stats.
Now, we were going to watch the videos